Part 2, inequalities. So today we'll talk about the greater and smaller sign. Students all have learned A greater than B or A less than B. How do we judge? To fractions, the judging of greater or smaller sign is more complicated than just looking at integer numbers. Here, we'll introduce some different ways of looking at x greater than what, or x less than what number. So we'll have look at the practice problems. A, show x greater than 5 on the number line. What is the number line? We showed this before. This is the axis. This is going bigger, so you have 0 in the middle. X greater than 5, 5 is on the right side of 0. X greater than 5, x is not equal to 5. So we draw a hollow circle around 5 and with an arrow like that. So x greater but not equal to 5 with a hollow circle indicating is not including 5 and going to the right side. B, show x less or equal to -3 on the number line. 0, this is -3. Less than or equal to, now it's not a hollow circle anymore. It's a solid circle, meaning the range will include -3 and going to the left side because it will be less than -3. Show -1 less than x less than or equal to 4. So 0, this is -1, that is 4. X greater than -1, hollow circle, you cannot include the -1. But x less than or equal to 4, that is a solid circle. So this range would be the range that we are looking for. Practice problem 10, A. Suppose x greater than y, explain why x plus 5 greater than y plus 5 and x minus 5 greater than y minus 5. We'll do one of them and the students can do the other one. Again, we'll use the number line. So in this case, we don't know where x and y resides, right? So, but we know that x is going to be greater than y. So x is to the right side of y. So for example, then x plus 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, for example, 5 is here, then x is going to be, x plus 5 is going to be this. Y plus 5, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Y plus 5 is going to be here. So y plus 5, both are hollow circles. There's no equal sign. You can see that x plus 5, y plus 5, since x is greater than y, so this will always be greater than y plus 5. Well, students can do the other one. B, suppose x greater than y and a greater than b. Explain why x plus a greater than y plus b. So x is greater than y on the number line. A is greater than b. So the greater one, adding the greater one, will always be greater than the lesser one, the two lesser ones. So students can play on the number line or even plug in real numbers to test this. C, suppose x greater than y and a greater than b. Can we conclude x plus b greater than y plus a? No, we cannot, because we don't know how big a and b is. They can be any number. We can plug in numbers. Students can play with the numbers to see whether they can conclude this. So we cannot conclude this equals to that, but you can conclude that x plus a greater than y plus b. The greater adding together and the lesser adding together, those are conclusive.